Gold yesterday had dropped in value, and we can see that the price has made a bearish breakout below 2653.45 with this bearish candle, where the price has closed below this support level and also below this demand zone, which is currently has been made a bearish breakout after the three candles. We can see that here, which were indecision candles with a small body with a larger wick on the upper and the lower side. The price has managed to make a bearish breakout. Now the price has in between this resistance, which is 2653, and the support level to 618.75, and it is currently still inside the range area. First of all, it was between this area between 2671 and below this one. It was currently here around this area below the lower demand zone, and now it's heading to the first support level, a small support level visible on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, which is around to 633 price level. Now, which is what we can see about this after the bearish breakout has been formed on the daily chart. This is indicating further decline down, where the next stop will be around this one, which is here, and after that it will be around this 2627, and below that it is the next support level, which you can see 2618.75. Now I'm going to stretch this one a little bit so we can see clearly where the confluence of support will be. And we can see that this area, it is confluence of support, where we have this uptrend trend line acting as a support and this horizontal line acting as a support. So here the price will have problems going below, and I am expecting that the price will reach this area and then bounce from this area somewhere up. We'll see how fast and also how strong. For now, this is indicating further decline down, where we can see after the price has made a bearish breakout with this candle, the price has returned slightly back up, just testing the previous support, now acting as the resistance, and is currently heading down. But there is one critical level, which I have shared with the trading community, that there is a very important support level on the 4-hour time frame is this area here, which will pose a support and a strong support for the price to continue to fall down even more. But there is also a probability that the price also jumps down, bounce, and makes a short breakout down with a wick and then returns back up. This is something that we need to watch closely on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, how the price behaves. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.